Go.
Okay, today we're talking about data plates versus the loads we're going to pick up. So data plate is telling you the maximum capacity the forklift can actually pick up, where in this case, the most it can pick up is 6,000 kgs, not a kilogram more. The highest the mast and blades can lift is 4,000 millimeters, which is 4 meters. And then we have a horizontal and a vertical. So we have a load center distance for horizontal, which is 900 millimeters, and vertical, which is going straight up, is 900 millimeters. Okay, whenever you see load center, there is one of the ways of doing is just go by times 2 times 900 equals 1800. So it's telling you the most it can pick up is 1800 by 1800. So over here is a question, so random questions. So we've got a pallet that in its length is 1200 millimeters, so it's pretty much going that way, and it has a height of 1200 millimeters. So it's a 1200 millimeter cube, and it weighs 2000 kgs. Okay, so then we've got a breakdown of what it is in a simple way. Now, if we need to actually compare this to this, what we can actually do is go through and get the 1200 divided by 2 equals 600 millimeters. And we also got the other 1200, so we got the length and we got the height. We got 1200 divided by 2 equals 600 millimeters. And the other M there. Then we have the weight. So we've got the weight of 2000 kg over there. So this is breaking this down further. Now, if we need to compare it to the actual forklift, what we can actually do is simply line through there and compare the 600 to the 900. So the 600 is actually going to be less than 900, and over here it's less than 900, and the 2000 kgs is less than 6,000 kgs. So that gives us a yes, and a yes, which is telling me the load can be picked up. So we're going to put yes in proper letters up there. Now that's how you do it. That's the question. That's what the forklift's capable of. We break it down. 1200 by 2 gives us the load center of the load, which is 600 and 600. And the 600 in both cases is less than the 900 in both cases. The actual weight of the load is less than the forklift, so that's why we end up with a big yes for that question. But let's hypothetically say, on another possible question, this could be, use a special, well, I'm going to make it an 8. If the weight was 8, these two would be right. But if it's 8,000, it then becomes more. So if you get a question where you know the weight is more, straight away we don't really need to be looking at these top two lines. We can just go big, no, we can't pick it up. Now that's how you can tell with a load compared to a data plate. Now, if you ever get questions where you've got to compare a load to a data plate, just simply go through and look at this. 1200 and 1200, both divided by 2 gives a load center distance, an LCD of 600. compare it to the 900, which is the maximum, and in this case they're both good. Over here, if I have 2000 kgs, which is all the way, used to be up here, there's another 0 in there. If it was 2000, it would be less, which is a good, but an 8,000 kgs is more than 6,000, which will be a no. Any more questions? Come to Brisbane Truck School and do your forklift course with us. Bye.